Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a Tower Chieftan portable typewriter. It has the case with a lid, which just locks on top of this piece, and then the metal bottom forms the other side of the case when it's all together. It is working. Just run through the functions here. Pretty basic keyboard. It has margin release to type outside of the set margins. And then nothing too fancy beside that. Here's your shift, and that's your shift lock. On the carriage, you have the carriage releases over here. You just pull that forward. This is your paper release to disengage the feed roller so you can remove the paper. Over here, obviously, your return lever. You can adjust the spacing between single and double using this little thing here. Right now it's on single. If you put that down, you'll see it's going to go 2 lines. If you flip that back up, it'll just go single spaced. The other thing it has is when you're ready to put it back in the case, to center it, you can just hold this button down here and slide the carriage over, and it'll automatically stop right in the middle. And then obviously just put those arms down and the case will go right on top. It also has a touch control here. Moving this up or down will adjust the pressure required for the keys. This is like a very light touch here, and you can make them a little heavier, a little more resistance. This is your changes the direction of your ribbon. It does have an auto reverse. You'll see in here when it gets to one side, it'll pull out this piece here or over here, and that'll automatically reverse the ribbon. But if you need to do it manually for some reason, that's what this does here. It's got some scratches, missing paint. Someone put a 2-tone ribbon in it, but this machine doesn't actually have the capability to use a 2-tone ribbon, so it'll type fine, but it'll only use the black. You will get some red. Well, here's a typing sample. You get some red tails on, see on the Q here and the bottom of the H. A couple of the letters will get a little bit of red on the bottom. That can easily be fixed by just switching it out for the black, solid black ribbon, which it was intended for. So that's the typewriter. It is for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.